Welcome to today's video, where we are going to learn 10 simple sentences about dogs. Each sentence starts with I am to help you practice English grammar and sentence formation. Let's begin. I am a dog. This is the simplest way to start. A dog can introduce itself just like that. I am happy when I play. Dogs love playing with balls, toys, and even sticks. They wag their tails when they are happy. I am friendly to people. Most dogs love people and are very kind and playful. They enjoy spending time with their family. I am running in the park. Dogs love to run and play outside. You will often see them running happily in parks. I am eating my food. Dogs love to eat their favorite meals, especially treats like bones and biscuits. I am barking loudly. Dogs bark to communicate. Sometimes they bark when they see a stranger or hear a noise. I am sleeping in my bed. Dogs enjoy taking naps in their cozy beds or a warm spot in the house. I am wagging my tail. When dogs are excited or happy, they wag their tails to show their joy. I am protecting my family. Dogs are loyal and brave. They often protect their families from danger. I am your best friend. Dogs are known as man's best friend because they are loyal, loving, and always there for you.